If you're an agent trying to work more confidently and more quietly, the tools you use shouldn't slow you down. On Commercial Xclusive, everything is built to feel simple the moment you sign in. Let's take a walk through the platform. Here's where your journey begins. Your dashboard. It gives you a clear overview of your account settings, your membership plan, password management, and billing and payments. It's a clean space designed to help you stay organized without distractions. Now, if you want to keep an eye on other listings or track comparables, just tap the heart icon. Everything you save appears in your Favorites tab, a simple space to revisit properties quickly. When you're ready to manage your own properties, everything starts in My Listings. My Listings is where all your listings live, whether they are active, drafts, or expired. From here, you can manage every part of your listings. You can edit your property's information or upgrade your listing when needed. Now let's see how to create a listing. When you're ready to share a new property, the listing flow guides you step by step. You will start by choosing a listing plan. Our plans start from $64.99. You can also add optional upgrades. Move your listing to the top of search results. Feature it across the platform. Add extra photos, or extend how long it stays visible. All of these help your property stand out when needed. You'll start by choosing the property type and subtype. Then enter the basics such as the title, price, listing type, location, and a short description for your property. Then you can add details like size, use, or number of rooms. These small touches give buyers a clearer picture of what you're offering. Before publishing, you'll verify that you're authorized to list the property. This keeps the platform trusted, secure, and professional. Once your listing looks complete, you'll move to the payment screen, and members automatically receive 25% off. After activation, your listing goes live quietly to verified buyers on the platform. Your professional profile appears in the directory, where buyers and investors can find you by province, city, specialty, name. It's a calm, credible way to be discovered by the people who need your expertise. When someone requests more information about your listing, you may receive a call or an email. Commercial Xclusive is built to support the way agents actually work, quietly, confidently, and without unnecessary steps. From managing listings to connecting with the right buyers, every part of the platform is designed to make your work feel easier. Welcome to a smarter, calmer way to move forward. Welcome to Commercial Xclusive.